This is something I've been meaning to do for a while. I've had this for a while. And I put it on Velcro so that if I change rigs or what have you, I can always take it down, take it with me. So we're going to put some stickers on. If I can get them out. There we go. There's our stickers. And of course, I'm from Texas. It's going to be the first one to put on. If I can get it off. Okay, there we go. Without tearing it. There we go. Alrighty. Here we go, Texas. Pretty good. Oops, bumped the camera. Hey, how's that? How is that? Okay. And I've been to Oklahoma. Sounds like that song. Never been to heaven, but I've been to Oklahoma. I can get Oklahoma off. Oh, okay. Oklahoma. Got married to Texas. Didn't want to leave it. Okay, here goes Oklahoma. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. There we go. How nice. This is going to come along nicely, isn't it? Okay, and I have been to Louisiana, of course. So we will peel off Louisiana here. Cute little map. Crawfish country. There we go. Hey, looking good, isn't it? Alrighty, I've been to Arkansas. Arkansas. Actually, one of my favorite state parks, or COE parks, is in Arkansas. It would be the Iron Mountain. Oops, go on there nice. I was going to try to do this morning, but I was busy with other things and it got warm. Okay, and I've, of course, been to Mississippi. So come on down, Mississippi.
In California, I have spent a lot of time in California. And most of my shows are dog show traveling. Most of my shows. A lot of my states are dog show traveling. Where I have spent lots of time. Oops. Oh, California, don't be naughty. Don't be naughty. Go on nice and straight.
Okay, let me see. I've never been to Colorado. I haven't been to Kansas. I have not been to the PNW, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Kansas. I know it's weird. I've never been to Kansas. But I have been to Missouri. Actually, let's go to Alabama. I've been to Alabama too. How's it looking? How's it looking, guys? Okay, and I have been to Maryland. And I've been to New York. Went to Westminster there. And I've gone to some outdoor dog shows there before too. have I been to Georgia? I have to think about that one. I have to think about that one. I think my dog shows were in Alabama. Were they in Georgia? I think they were in Alabama. So these are the states I haven't been to yet. Oops, I'm dropping them. And these are the states I have been to. And there we are. There's our map. So far, so good. 24 states. Almost halfway there. Oh, wait. I have been to Puerto Rico. Is Puerto Rico on here? I think so. Oh, I'll get that one later. I do hope Sasquatch doesn't make a visit tonight. I don't have any Sasquatch spray. Yikes. Alright, I just cooked a lasagna with meat sauce, frozen, in my little portable oven, whatever you want to call it. So it's been on since 1:30, I think. Let me see what time it is now. Watch. It's 8 o'clock. So yeah, it should be cooked. It should be cooked. It's just not as brown as I like it. I might have to nuke it a little bit. But I wanted to try this for travel purposes to see how well it would turn out. And the noodles are definitely cooked. Oops. Yeah, it's cooked. I just like it kind of brown and crunchy. So I overcook it in the microwave on purpose. Okay. So what am I doing? It leaks. I saw this on Bunny's channel. Bunny plays here, and she got these waterproof bags. Let me go get the thing real quick. Okay, these waterproof dry bags, you can get them at Walmart. Here's the different sizes. And you get those dryer balls, the plastic ones. I got them at Dollar General. They're $2. I think these bags were like $7 or something for the set of them, for 3 different sizes. This is the biggest size. And I put a dog cooling mat in this because it got dirty. And I put 2 of those dryer balls in it, filled it up with warm water, and 2 of those plastic dryer balls. And I've been swishing it back and forth to clean it. Don't have a washer where I'm available. And I just kind of wanted to experiment. Okay, so it's been in this bag for a while, actually. You can get aggressive with it. Take your emotions out on it. It does leak. Okay, so it's still warm because it's been sitting in the sun. We're going to take this and dump this and see what it turned out like. I do have access to this water thing over here. Don't worry, it has environmentally safe soap in it. Here's the little rubber dryer balls. So it does have a hole in it. So I'll set those aside. Okay, here's the cooling mat that I washed. It came out pretty good, actually. I let it soak for a long time, and it came out pretty good. So I'm just going to rinse it off over here. Okay. Yeah, it came out pretty clean. Okay, I'm impressed. That worked really well. This is actually the cats. I said it was the dogs, but I believe I got this from the cats. So, yeah, I'm going to hang it on this fence over here. Wherever it is, yeah, I'll hang it on that fence and just let it dry. Very cool. Thank you, Bunny. Very cool hack here. I'm going to wash another one of those mats because one of the dogs is on one right now and I want it clean. He's getting a bath anyhow. So, haha, cool hack. Very cool hack. Yes. And there it is, drip drying on the fence. I could squeeze it out a little bit more. I need to. But I'm going to start the other one, and then I'll come back and squeeze that out. Oh, I'm happy. I love these little tricks. And then when you're done, you get to do this. Oh, it's not doing it. Oh, you're not going to do it. The other one squirted out water like crazy. Oh, come on, man. Aw. Oh, well. That one's not going to do it. Go figure.